Have you taken my consent to record my video?
So what's up beautiful people, सबैजना सन्चै हुनुहुन्छ होला, म पनि एकदम सन्चै आरामै छु है। आजभोलि जताततै फेसबुक युट्युब तिर हेर्यो भने हैन, देयर इज अ भिडियो जसमा एकजना टुरिस्टलाई अमेरिकन टुरिस्ट एन्ड अमेरिकन युट्युबर द लस्ट जोयलाई एकजना नेपालीले गरेको मिसबिहेभ जताततै भाइरल भइरहेको रहेछ।
Have you taken my consent to record my video?
र त्यो भिडियो देखेर मलाई पनि केही भन्न चाहिँ मन लागिरहेको थियो है। समय नमिलेर मैले भिडियो बनाउन पाइरहेको थिएन। सो here is my opinion. Let's watch video and let's send love to the lost joy. Let's go.
Bonnie.
हो हेरौँ है। सुरुमा
मलाई खाना दिनुस्।
त रमाइलो भइरहेको रहेछ सुरुमा त।
Molai? Kana?
दिनुस्।
Dinus.
दिनुस्, yes. मलाई खाना दिनुस्।
Molai kana dinus.
Yes.
It is Nepali word.
Yeah, this is Nepali word.
Oh, Dhanavad.
Give me some rice.
Give me some.
अब हेर्नु त एक्कासी त्यो मान्छे आयो।
I don't know what you're saying. What do you say?
Chicken?
No.
Chicken?
This rice. This rice.
Mutton?
Yeah.
Mutton?
No, I'm okay.
This
I'm
rice
okay.
costs 1500 rupees. If you have 1500 rupees, pay it. Otherwise, you have to wash all the dishes.
Oh, watch the dishes.
All the dishes.
Oh my goodness.
Otherwise, we are going.
I gotta run. I gotta run.
Hang on. We are going to take your second.
Oh, you gotta pay for it. I pay 5,000.
First of all, you have to pay for this.
I gotta eat this. Finish my food.
If I'm going to break your that, what the hell, camera?
No, man, that's not. I'll pay. Don't worry. I'll
You
pay.
have to pay.
Don't worry.
Pay first and then record.
I got a problem.
First thing is you have not taken my consent to record. So, I'm going to sue you. You have not taken any consent to record that.
Sir, you
have
came
you
to
taken my
me.
consent to
You
record
came
my
to me,
video?
sir.
Have you taken my consent to
Alright,
record the video? Throw that out. Have you taken my consent to record my video? Is that necessary or not? Is that necessary or not?
Like, I'm trying.
don't know the morally.
I'm just trying to eat.
Jiva, it's okay, come.
All right, I'll leave. I'll pay for it. Don't worry.
Oh.
Don't worry. I'll pay for it. Don't worry. Here you go. End it.
Excuse me. Sorry for that. Excuse me. You can finish.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Here. Here. Take your money. Here. You want the money?
No, why?
No, he wants the money.
He don't. No. You just keep it. No.
He's not joking. Here.
He's joking.
No, I'm not joking. What joking?
Here. How much you want? How much you want?
No, why?
Yeah, I'll pay.
Mom, what is that?
Come on. Here. Here. I'll pay for it.
त्यसले मेरो भिडियो
Here.
खिच्नुभन्दा अगाडि सोध्नुपर्छ
Here. Pay for it.
मेरो लिमिट के
यो मान्छे हुन्छ नि हैन, यो हेरेर हुन्छ नि मान्छेलाई योर डिग्री इज जस्ट अ पिस अफ पेपर, योर एजुकेसन इज सिन इन योर बिहेभियर भनेर सो क्लियरली देखिरहेछ कि यसलाई हेर्नु त यो मान्छेलाई हेरेर त पढे लेखे जस्तो। अझ बाहिर सुन्नेमा चाहिँ यो एनएमबी बैंक कि कुन चाहिँ बैंकको पोखरा ब्रान्चको ब्रान्च म्यानेजर हो रे। कस्तो मन भएको मान्छेहरू हुन्छ कि है, नेपालमा पनि यस्ता मान्छेहरू छ।
Actually, I am joking. But
I'm
you
not
must learn the morality. Okay? You must learn the
take it.
morality. Before taking videos, you must take a consent. Okay? I'm not joking. You have eaten. That's
No,
okay.
this is
That's
you.
okay. I was
This is for
joking.
you.
I was joking. I don't
This
need
is
that.
for you.
That is
No,
100 rupees, yaar.
Oh, you want 4,000 here? I'll do 1,000 here. Here. You want 1,000 here?
No. That
Here,
doesn't
take
matter.
it.
This cost 150,000.
Okay, I don't
I'm not
care.
asking for your
I don't
money.
care.
Okay?
Here. Just take
I'm
it.
not asking for your
Just
money.
take
I
it.
was joking.
Here.
Boss,
No.
what I'm telling is,
Here. Here, just take it.
No, he's just joking. Don't worry.
No, he's not joking. I'm not joking.
bro, it's
Here, just take it.
Keep it. Actually, he's right. You just keep it. There is nothing.
अब यस्तै मान्छेहरूले गर्दा चाहिँ हाम्रो सोसाइटी बदनाम भइरहेको छ कि साथीहरू। अब अभियसली पनि विदेशीहरूले नेपालमा आएर हेर्ने भनेकै यस्तै पिकनिकहरू, यस्तै हाम्रो कल्चरहरू, यस्तै हाम्रो ग्यादरिङ अनि हाम्रो लाइफस्टाइल यही हेर्नको लागि आउँछ कि। बाँकी नेपालमा अरू हेर्नलाई चाहिँ बाँकी नै के छ र नेताहरूले बेचेर खाइसकेको छ सबै इमान इज्जतहरू त्यही माथि अलिअलि भएको हुन्छ नि हाम्रो कल्चर हाम्रो जुन बिहेभियरहरू हुन्छ त्यो पनि यस्ता रुड पिपलहरूले गर्दा चाहिँ होइन विश्व सामु हाम्रो सोसाइटी चाहिँ बदनाम भइरहेको छ अनि हाम्रो सिङ्गो देश नै बदनाम भइरहेको छ कि सो एट लास्ट होइन मनमा लागेको कुरा म के भन्न चाहन्छु मिस्टर जीवानाथ बराललाई भनेपछि होइन तिमी जस्ता 20 सोच भएका रुड पिपलहरूले गर्दा चाहिँ होइन हाम्रो सोसाइटी हाम्रो नेपाल अनि नेपालीहरूको अन्तर्राष्ट्रिय स्तरमा बदनाम भइरहेको छ हो हाम्रो सोसाइटी बदनाम भइरहेको छ कि सरी लस्जय वी apologize for misbehavior of that roof guys enjoy your holiday with lot of love from Nepal and Nepalese अनि साथमा हुन्छ नि अब यति बेला चाहिँ हाम्रो पालो आएको छ कि साथीहरू होइन यो टुरिस्टलाई उहाँलाई चाहिँ द लस्जयलाई टु सेन्ड लट अफ लभ फ्रम नेपाल एन्ड नेपालिज सो उहाँको फुल भिडियो अनि उहाँको च्यानल चाहिँ मैले डिस्क्रिप्सनमा पिन गरेर राखेको छु सो त्यहाँ गएर लेट्स सो द लभ एन्ड लेट्स सेन्ड द लभ थ्याङ्क यू टेक केयर बाई बाई